We could do donuts here actually. We could certainly drift a little bit here on this snow.
Actually, we've got a replay here for you if you want to see it for the first time.
Alright, that was enough drifting. Alright. Okay. Don't worry, we're making a snowman. This is gonna be no problem. What if we make a really big penis cactus? Oh my god. What do you think about that? Okay. 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 Okay, looking great. Okay, wait. Guys, I think the ratio between the balls and the rest of the penis might be a little bit off. Okay guys, this is all we can do. This is it, guys. Okay, this is all we can do. Also, my fingers are so cold now, it's crazy. Guys, somebody warm my fingers. They're gonna fall off. You wanna have a close up? Wait. There you go, guys.
Oh my god.
Look at the beautiful view. Maybe it doesn't look delicious, but it's sure tastes delicious. And you like tuna?
Hey, big tuna.
I did also bring tea. Oh no! Guys, you fell over. I'm sorry, I'm gonna rescue you.
I'm dying. Help me.
Give me a sec. Okay, while I'm eating, you guys have to tell me stories. And one person has to write a sentence, and then another person has to continue the story, and no one can interrupt it. That's the challenge, guys.
Twitch chat is 1,000 people. Impossible. This plays lunchtime Omegalo. How many lines until Hitler gets mentioned? Go. 50 subs and you go for a swim. Can't be quiet.
Oh, the sun is gonna come out a little bit. Look at that.
This is actually the most wholesome stream I've watched in a while.
The problem with the last snow is that you don't know that it's the last snow. You do know when it's the first snow though. Maybe appreciate all snow? Nah, we're not for that. We don't have this like, ooh, everyone is nice mentality, guys. If you're just gonna say all snow is nice, then how is the good snow supposed to know that they're doing a better job than the rest of the snow, you know? Guys, this tree is losing needles and it's blowing it into my food. I don't know how many needles I've already eaten at this point. All the needles! The pine needles give it the flavor that it was missing. Let me blow my nose and then we're gonna continue. Sorry. Actually, good point. There's no one smart enough to date me. That's actually a good point. I do think that might be the better reason. I'm gonna throw you guys in the water soon if you don't shut up. Well, that's why I have David, because David doesn't know what moonkins are. So I just had to find somebody that doesn't know what moonkins are. I tricked him. Oh, look at this! Look how pretty it is!
Take it home with you. It's a lot. Sounds good. Can hear you now. I think you were.
Look how cute it is here. Aww. I want to stay here forever. I'm gonna summon you guys, and then we can go for a boat ride. We can build cactus penises together. We can have a great time. Do you think the bear goes all the way out of the woods to shit into the lake and then go back, or? I hope you don't have to go to the toilet now. I'm gonna stay here forever. Goodbye.
The snow atop the lake looks like a ship wall.
Oh my god. I'm breaking my hair. So. There you go.
Sunset is
Do you
in
see
30
this?
minutes. You live there.
There's someone
Sun
skiing
comes
right
from
here.
space.
Do you see them? He's cross-country skiing. You see him? I think we chased the sun real quick. We might be late. I need to run, guys. I need to run.
Let's go.
You can barely see it here.
Riding in the snow.
Oh my god, guys, we have to be fast. So. Oh fuck. My gimbal is having a bad time. One moment. Oh look, we caught the sun.
Small snow on both
Where are we
sides.
going? We're just gonna go for a walk.
Pretty. That sunset is so beautiful.
It is very pretty. I'm gonna make sticky rice, and then I'm gonna drink a hot chocolate. Ah, shit! Fuck. Okay, whatever. I just saw a message that I can't get into the apartment. I don't have keys because I left it for the cleaning lady, and the cleaning lady left it inside the apartment. Oh. Fuck! I don't have keys! Okay, what are we doing, guys? I need to cover 1.5 hours, or maybe like 2 hours. Just what?